Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint in this device. So first of all, let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the security. Let's tap on it. Now in the device security section on the second position we've got the fingerprint, so let's tap, and here the step can be a little bit different depending on if you've got a screen lock currently set or if not. I do not have the screen lock, so as you can see I have to pick one, so I can pick the pattern pin or password. Of course, if you've got one set, and then you will be transferred to another step. If not, just like me, you really have to do it right now. It's important because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device without the need to go through the hard reset operation and wiping out all of the data. So it's important, and you are not able to add the fingerprint without it. So let me pick the pattern. Now let's draw it, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. That's another option which is connected with the lock screen. So of course, if you've got the lock screen currently set, you will not have to do it here. Right now our device is asking us what we want to show on the lock screen. So we can show all the notification content and the sensitive content only when it is unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. It's up to you. I will simply pick the second option. Just make sure that it is marked and tap on done. And here we've got fortunately here we've got the step which is the same for both, let's say, ways of adding the fingerprint. So here we've got the information about the fingerprint, so that you will be able to unlock your device, authorize the purchases or sign into apps. So let's tap on setup. And here we've got also the information about the screen protector. Because the fingerprint sensor is under the screen, so it's somewhere here, and then the screen protector may affect it. So be aware of that. Let's tap on got it, and here we've got the sensor, as you can see. So basically all we have to do right now is to put our finger on it. Our device catched our finger, so that's okay. And right now we can actually start to add the fingerprint. So just put the fingerprint on the sensor, and let's do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully, and change the position of your finger. Try to catch every, maybe not corner, every side of your fingerprint, of course, for better recognition. Okay, as you can see, we just successfully added our fingerprint to this device. You can add another, and I believe you can add up to 5 fingerprints, or just tap on done. And here we've got the fingerprint, let's say settings. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can tap on it and rename it if you want to, why not? Here we've got the trash bin icon, so we can remove it. We can add another fingerprint. And here we've got the animations. So we've got the radial waves, we've got the boomerang and the chroma dial. It's up to you which option you'd like to use. I will leave this one. Now we can go back and let's actually check if it is working. So let me go back. Why it doesn't work, I have no idea. Let's lock the device, and let's put the finger wherever the sensor is, because as you can see we cannot really see the icon of the fingerprint. But let's put the finger here. Is it working? Unfortunately not. Alright, as you can see we unblocked the device, but let me try it again. Alright, so immediately after locking your device, you can put the finger on the sensor and the device will be unblocked. So basically that's all. This is how to add the fingerprint in your Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.